Deep in the rainforest, where the trees touch the sky, we found the perfect clearing. First, we clear the ground. Nature is wild here, but our tools are ready. A strong house needs strong roots. We drive the timber piles deep. The floor deck is laid, piece by piece, creating a floating platform. The walls rise up. We use interlocking logs for a sturdy, natural look. Big open windows are cut out to let the jungle breeze inside. The roof trusses go up next, framing the sky. We cover it with dark wood shingles to keep the rain away.
Now for the best part, digging out the infinity pool.
We line it with blue mosaic tiles to match the sky.
Water flows in, crystal clear and refreshing. Building the chill area, a place to relax after hard work. Nature moves back in. Landscaping brings the jungle to our door.
The sun begins to set, painting the wood in golden light.
A hidden paradise in the trees. The job is done.